Hi everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix blurry Snapchat videos. If you love Snapchat and you love taking videos from Snapchat, but if your Snapchat videos comes out blurry and you're pretty much frustrated about it, then simply keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If your Snapchat videos comes blurry and you'd like to do something about it, then the first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, and once you're connected to a stable internet, go and check if your Snapchat videos are still blurred or not. If that fixed the issue, then that's great. You can stop right there and start using your Snapchat. But if it does not work for you, the next thing to do is to go ahead and check if you have the latest version of Snapchat installed on your Android. To check that, tap Open your Play Store. In the search box, search for Snapchat, and right where you can see your application displayed, if you see an open button, it means that your application is up to date. There is no need to be doing that right now. But if you see an update button popping up right where the open button is right now on my Android device, it means your application needs an update. Tap the update button and download the latest version of Snapchat. Once you have it, check if that solved your blurry Snapchat videos issue. If that worked for you, then that's great, but if it does not yet, next thing to do is to clear out your Snapchat cache data. Go to the settings button from your system and tap it open. From the settings menu, select apps and tap it on. From the list of the apps displayed on the next page, search for Snapchat and give it a tap. Tap on the storage button right under app info. Now tap on clear cache at the lower right hand corner, which will remove all of the cache data for Snapchat. Now tap on the clear data button at the lower left hand corner and tap OK in the pop-up. But remember that before tapping on OK, you remember all of your credentials for Snapchat, that is your email address and your password. If you don't remember it, then do not tap on the OK button, since it'll delete all of the application's data permanently, including files, settings, accounts, and databases. But if you remember your credentials, you can tap on the OK button, go back to Snapchat app one more time and log in with your credentials and see if that fixed your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are not being able to take Snapchat videos in a great quality, but instead it is blurred out. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.